Hello everyone, MPX Auto is James. How are you? In this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Hilux, and this one Hilux 2013, and this is the later half generation of Hilux. As you know that the Hilux ranging from 2006 up to 2015 for this generation thing. The car come with a normal radio and factory screen before, which actually came with a very standard camera in the past, and then the factory camera was faulty and it was replaced by another aftermarket low resolution camera which was not working as well, and at this moment it's already been fitted nicely with a 10-inch custom built premium package, including the wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto and a bunch of modern things built inside our premium setup. And of course it is including a very strong built-in digital sound processor amplifier to boost up the sound system in the car. So at this moment the speaker performance of the car is very nice when connected to our system here. And together all the steering wheel button 2, 4, 6, 7 of the button here work very nicely on the system. And what else I should mention, it is about the high definition anti-glare super night vision and dynamic steering wheel sensor reverse camera, which is already fit at the very best position of the car. So at this moment our camera is here and it is fit right in the middle of the session here, and it is fully adjustable as well. The factory camera was here and the other aftermarket camera was here, which already been safely removed, and now the new camera will have to see very center to the back end, and when reverse we'll see the center. So here actually is the very standard view from the driver's side down to our system, which doesn't block the view from the temperature and clock on the top, and doesn't block the access of any button over here, and that is the 10-inch, okay, the full 10-inch. When I swing the camera it might change the view and you might not see the part, but actually from the driver's seat it will be like this, which is the very best. And now look at the reverse camera here. You already know that we have fit many of these high definition anti-glare super wide angle and dynamic steering wheel sensor reverse camera in many other cars, and now it is combined with this 10-inch premium one in this Hilux dual cap. So it's beautiful and it's very clear, it's very sharp, and it's very detailed. Okay, so soon as we move the gear stick it will come back to the front application that we used before, and that's Apple CarPlay or Android Auto and any other software. We have two other USB ports which is nicely fit inside the glove box. Now we have the microphone stay nicely on the corner here, and we have the GPS sensor which is hidden already inside the car, you know, on the side as well. So it's very clean installation, no extra parts showing anywhere on the dash or under the dashboard. And the camera wiring is beautifully and tightly running along the chassis under the floor of the tray at the back and under the body and go into the car nicely. So everything is done properly and everything ready, so it is very ready to be collected by the owner. Okay, so that's about our review in this system for the Hilux 10-inch. Thanks again for watching, and if you like the video, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to do that. We love to see more and more video coming in and appreciate that. Thank you. Have a good night.